Hey everyone, if Photopea is not loading, stuck on a blank screen, or just won't open, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Photopea not loading so you can get back to editing your designs quickly. First, check your internet connection. Photopea runs entirely online, so even a weak or unstable connection can stop it from loading properly. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple reload clears temporary glitches and makes Photopea start working again instantly. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can block websites from loading correctly, so clearing it often solves the issue. Try opening Photopea in a different browser. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your browser or with the website itself. Disable browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with Photopea's scripts and prevent it from loading properly. Check if Photopea servers are down. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side, so it's good to check for any ongoing outages or server issues. And finally, restart your computer or device. This clears background glitches and often fixes loading issues quickly and easily. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix Photopea not loading. Follow each step carefully, and it should start working again without any problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right,